What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Move Better channel. I am your host, Dr. Joe, and this is the Professor John Penacerrata, and today we're gonna spoon. So one of the things that I get a lot of is that there's, people come in to a chiropractor, of course, they want us to fix their neck. But it's important for us to figure out where that neck pain is coming from. And a lot of time, if it's an upper cervical right below the little bone right here that you have on your head, if it's along that area, a lot of things can actually happen when that area gets tight. We don't know if it's necessarily from the front part of the neck or the back side of the neck. And if that area starts to stiffen up, and a lot of my older patients start to deal with it, they can get neuralgia, they can get some pain, tingling, and numbness, they can get headaches. You can start dealing with a variety of different symptoms that may be affecting your overall daily living style, right? Like working, for example. And if that headache or that neck pain starts to really get aggravated, it's going to affect your day. So today we're going to try to give you some ways that you can start to release some tension off of that muscular tissue with just a simple utilization of a spoon.
Yeah.
And so what we're going to do is you're going to get the back of the spoon here. You're going to see this. We're just going to put a little bit of lotion right on top of that. And John, what we're going to do is he's going to grab it and he's going to tilt his head to the side, and we're going to get the front part of the neck muscle called your SCM, and he's going to go from the ear and kind of like he's shaving, right? He's just going to go straight down, okay? So go ahead and grab that spoon, John. And he's going to go in, and he's just going to utilize, notice I'm on the back side of the ear here. He's rotating his head away from the spoon, and he's just going to apply some pressure, and he's just going to go down, and the area that he goes down to is his collarbone right here, because that's where the attachment point is. So it's kind of at an angle. So he's just going to press there. And using the round side of the spoon, obviously you don't want to use the concave side of the spoon. You want to use the convex side, which is the rounder side, and it's just going to slide directly on there. Now in that area, you also have your scalene muscles, so you don't always have to just go down to that collarbone. You can go down directly down the side of your neck as well in order to just start to release tension for yourself, right? We wanted to empower you guys with the ability to start treating yourself at home and trying to release some of that tension. Now, if you notice that you can't even get that tension to release, make sure that you guys go and check with your local massage therapist or your neuromuscular therapist like we have over here, and they can help you getting in between each and every single one of those muscles to help release. Now, John, you're gonna go ahead and switch hands here with the spoon. You're gonna rotate your head to the right, and now he's tensioning up these muscles here, and he's going to go to the back side of his neck here. As he's going down, he's applying a pretty significant amount of pressure. Now, it's hard for you to actually apply so much pressure that you're going to create pain. This is just going to help utilize it, help with releasing a little bit of tension, even if you're applying a significant amount of pressure. That feels pretty good, huh, John?
Mm-hmm.
And you're just going to do this to yourself. You're going to now he's going to rotate his head forward. Let me have you do this. Let me have you flip facing me here. If he's going to go on to this side, he's looking down. Good. Now make sure you guys didn't use this spoon to eat with and then start doing this at the restaurants, all right, guys? I can just imagine John eating going, dang, my neck hurts.
I'm gonna grab the serving spoon.
John, what are you doing? He goes, it has
my neck hurts.
It has oil on it. I'm just gonna start using that.
That's a good idea.
So, and that feels pretty good, right?
Yep.
So look at how John is looking down here. He's driving his head down, and he's just trying to release pressure as he's going into those muscles. And the good thing about the spoon is that the convexity side of it and the convection, it's round, so he can simply just, turn with a simple turn of the spoon. It can allow for a better glide along your muscle. All right, you guys, disclaimer, make sure that you guys are not utilizing that spoon after you eat to try to give yourself a massage. Thanks for joining us on another episode of the Move Better channel, you guys. Let us know how you guys like those self-massages with a spoon. There's other apparatuses and there's other things that you guys can utilize that can help with that self-massage, but we won't talk about that today. Like, subscribe, share, send it out to all your friends and family. We want to make sure that you guys move better. Thanks, you guys. Take care.